Hi there, my name is Yan Duncan and I do tech related tutorials and reviews. And you know that if you own any Apple device such as a MacBook and iPhone, you have the advantage of sharing photos wirelessly through Airdrop. And if you're using a Windows PC and an iPhone, you know that sometimes it is very difficult for you to transfer the files between the two using a cable. And this video is also applicable if you're using an Android phone and you want to transfer videos and photos wirelessly from your Android phone to your Windows PC. So let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is that on your phone, you need to go to this website called snapdrop.net. And I'll do that right now, snapdrop.net, and then do the same on your Windows PC. And I recommend using Safari because using Google Chrome will not be that efficient as well, especially if you're using an iPhone. And as you can see on my PC, I've already opened snapdrop.net, and already you can see my iPhone device. And what happens is that a random name will be allocated. As you can see, my phone is called Amaranth Felidiale. Okay, the names are so random. And then my Windows PC is called Till Oriole. And then that's pretty much it. If you want to send from your phone to your Windows PC, all you have to do now is tap on your device and then choose whatever video that you want. For example, I've just sent this photo and it has just gone within a second. And if I wanted to send a video, I'll do the same and I'll just choose a video. Let me try and get a longer video. So this video I'm about to send is 50 seconds long, and click on add. And yeah, and as you can see, it's now transferring. It's really fast actually, and as you can see, it has already been received on my Windows PC. And all I have to do now is click on save and it will be downloaded. And if you're using Microsoft Edge, it might tell you that this image has potentially been blocked. What you have to do is click on the three icons right there and then click on keep. Then click on keep anyway. And the same thing applies if you want to send from your Windows PC to your phone. Tap on the device and then choose the video that you want. Then click on open and it will start transferring, and you can see within seconds it's already here on my phone. Now what I have to do is click on save and click on download. And once it's downloaded, what you have to do is now click on the little blue icon at the bottom that shows the download sign. Click on it, then go to downloads and click on it and click the share button, then scroll all the way down and you'll see an option for save video, and just like that your video has been saved to your phone. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and be sure to watch my other videos and other tutorials and comment any other tutorial that you'd love to see, and I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm out. Peace.